enable and set up the speech recognition in Windows 10 and Windows 11, you will need to follow these steps. Go to your search bar and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel to open. If you have a different view, click on View By and select Category. Click on Ease of Access. At this stage, you will see two sections. Click on the second one, Speech Recognition. You want to click on Start Speech Recognition. Make sure that your microphone is plugged, and then click Next. Choose the type of the microphone, and click Next. Click Next. Here you want to read the text. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. As soon as you're done, click Next and click again Next. You can enable document review or disable document review and then click Next. Use manual activation mode or use voice activation mode. Choose one of them which suits you. You can read through to decide which one to choose. I leave it by default. Use manual and click Next. And here, view reference sheet if you would like to. Otherwise, you can go ahead and click Next. Run speech recognition at startup if you wish, or don't run it if you don't wish, and click Next. Here, you can click Start Tutorial to start learning, or just skip tutorial. And this way, you have enabled the speech recognition in Windows.